All right, great one here on number 15. Let's pick some easy numbers to work with, but because it's number 15, and I just don't want to pick one or two or anything like that because I feel like there's going to be some problems we could run into. I mean, you certainly could, but I just feel like multiple answers will work here if I do that. I also want to pick something that at the end of the day is not going to be too hard to square. So, I don't know, B's got to be, I'll deal with B first. B's got to be an even number, so that's easy to work with. Let's pick B is 6. And then I'm going to make, well, that would be 6. Let's make A 5. So that way we get 5 plus 6 over 2 quantity squared. And that's 8, right? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 squared is 64. We're looking for 64. That's about as big a number as I would want to deal with. I could have used some smaller values, but let's just crack into this here. A is 25 plus 36 over 2. No. Because look, 36 over 2 is smaller than even 25 is, and we need to get out to all the way to 64. Estimation is your best friend on this. We know B is going to be even smaller. Why even try it? Let's try out C. C is going to be 25 plus, what, AB is 30 over 2, plus B squared, which is 36 over 2. Let's get in there. Let's see, 25 plus 15 plus 18. Let's see, no, that's not going to be enough. This is like 33, and 33 and 25 is not going to get us there, so it's answer choice D. And you could try it out. It'd be like what? You've already done most of this math in other parts. 25 plus 30 plus 36 over 4. Okay, well, this right here is 55, and then 36 over 4 is 9. So that works. Answer choice is D. Of course, you could use algebra there, right? And if you would use algebra just for like a little lesson on that, what I would do is I would worry about the first and last term. What they're hoping to happen, what they're hoping happens to a number of students in order to get it wrong, is that they forget about all the steps in foiling. But look, just the first step gives you a squared, and just the last step gives you b squared over 4. There's no canceling that's going to happen, so both those terms have to be there, and then you know there's a middle term. Right, it's the outsides and the insides, which would give you AB over 2 and another AB over 2. So hopefully that helps. I think that question is easily done in either approach, but again, using real numbers saves you so much time on so many questions. So.